Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. All right, for this video, I want to share a new discovery with you. I just discovered the power of the weighted vest. Oh. All right, so I wanted to try wearing a weighted vest to see how I can implement this into my day-to-day workout routine, right? I received, so this is what I'm wearing right there. I will show you in a minute how it looks like better, but first let me just explain how I got this. I started noticing women running with it, and so I started to do a little bit of research about it, and I came across a video from, what's her name, Charlene Johnson. If you guys are familiar with her, she used to do a lot of fitness program on TV back in the days. I saw one of her videos where she was talking about this weighted jacket. I actually ordered the one that she recommended, and I will put the link down below if you guys want to try it after this video, after you watch this video. It is really good. I am so glad I went with her recommendation, because I am not returning this. Like, today's my first time wearing it, and I love it, and I'm gonna keep it, and voila. So let me tell you a little bit more about today. Today is the first day of my cycle. I am going through it with my period. I woke up feeling hangover when the only thing I had to drink last night was chamomile tea, pretty much. So I woke up with my head like this. I was super bloated, not just down there, but up there too. So I had to like do a whole face massage, yoga, whatever, to drain all that fluid out, to look like something. Mentally, I was in a fog. It was hard for me to get out of bed. It was hard for me to think straight. I felt tired. I felt bloated, cramping, lower back pain. Like, you know the drill. I did not want, I'm supposed to go work out this morning, but didn't feel like doing it. What I did feel like doing, though, it's a nice long walk on the beach. Now, knowing myself, because I'm the workout girl, like I'm that girl who's at the gym and does her thing and sweat and stress that muscle and love it. Yeah, that's me. When I go for a walk, I get frustrated because I feel like I'm not doing anything. I feel like I'm just walking and wasting my time. But at the same time, I enjoy the mental relief, right? The mental clarity, the whew. So how do I get a little bit of a workout while getting my mental, clarity going on and enjoying nature and da-da-da? This is when the weighted vest comes in the picture. Now, I got a 12-pounder because I have been working out with my baby boy, who's 12 pounds, who's been 12 pounds for a while, so he's probably closer to 13 at this point. I've been using him as my weight when I do my workouts at home, to do my arms workout, to do my abs workout. Like, I'm using the baby, or even to do my squats. I'm just holding him while I do all this. So it made sense for me to buy a vest that is 12 pounds. But you do have different options when it comes to the weight. You can start as low as 5 pounds, then there's a 8 pound, there's a 12 pound. When you do your research online, you'll see the different weights. You guys, I went for a walk today at the beach. It was a beautiful fall, a beautiful fall day. They're similar in temperature, I have to say, but the scenery is different, right? The beach was absolutely gorgeous. The waves, the sun on the water, the birds. There's nobody at the beach. I mean, just my last vlog is all about that. So you know how much I like a nice long walk at the beach. But now being able to wear my weighted vest, not dress. We're not there yet, maybe one day, but let's start with a vest first. I was so surprised to see how much of a workout I had during this nice long walk. You guys, I came back home, I was sweating, first of all. My heart was pumping. I could feel the muscle work in my glutes, in my thighs, in my shoulders, my back. The only part I didn't feel a muscle work was on my arms, makes sense, and my abs. I didn't really feel my core was really working as much. but also my core is pretty strong, so maybe it needs a little bit more challenge. Maybe other people feel it in their core. But I was so happy because it feels like I got the best of both worlds. I was able to have a nice chill workout, walk on the beach where I can resource and clear my mind and enjoy the weather and be one with Mother Nature. And at the same time, I got a light workout that felt like I was actually burning toxins and building muscle mass and things like that. Now, I'm back home. I can tell you that the Luisa that left the house this morning and the Luisa who's here right now, completely different. I have more peps, more energy. My brain, the brain fog is gone, and I didn't even start a meal yet. I didn't eat anything yet, but I have that. Let's talk about the fit real quick. Let me show you. I'm gonna lower this a little bit so I can show you the fit. All right, so here we have the front. So you have two different type of vests, right? You have the one where the weight is in the middle like this. And I think that might be better for men, but for us women, you know, I prefer when the weight is around the boobs. It brings the girls together, which is always good. But it doesn't, you don't feel any weight on your chest. You don't, you know, it's better for the woman's body personally. Now you have this in the middle, so this is how you're gonna open and close your vest. And here you can adjust, the width as much as you need it, right? So that's pretty much the only way you have to adjust your vest. On the side here, you have, I wish there was adjustable things here too, but it's elastic, so that's that. Here you have light reflectant straps, but you can also attach a little bag, you know, a little thing to put your AirPods or a little bit of money or whatnot. Now the back looks like this. I don't know if you can hear me right now, but here's the back. Again, you have the reflection, light reflection, if in case you are walking at night. You have a pocket here, which fits an iPhone or a smartphone perfectly. There you go. And I actually used it. During my walk. I just put my phone in there, so I just had to hold my cup of tea, and it worked great, right? The phone is not going anywhere. That's it. That's all there is to this. It's very comfortable. I've been wearing it nonstop for the past 2 hours, you guys, because I started wearing this at home during doing some light cleaning in the house, just to have a feel of it, which is another way you can wear this, just at home, cleaning up, vacuuming, mopping the floor, clearing the clutter, going up and down the stairs, grocery shopping. I mean, there's so many ways that you can wear this and get a slight workout. But yeah, this is how it looks like. This is, I mean, I love it. I feel like Lara Croft right now, you know, like badass woman. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I am going to take it out right now because it's been a minute. You know what I will do too is a little bit of a stretching to elongate my spine and my legs. Oh, that feels good. But yeah, you guys, I am loving this. I highly recommend you guys try it. As we get older, as we enter perimenopause, which starts for some people as early as age 35, right? We are going to lose more and more muscle density, muscle strength, sorry, and bone density, which explains why after a while it's getting harder for us to lose weight, right? Because we don't have as much muscle mass, and your body, your metabolism is not burning as much as it used to. It is so important that we work on building this muscle mass, keep this muscle mass. And same goes with bone density. This vest helps us do that in a gentle way, and it adapts to our lifestyle. Like I said, if you were to wear that vest every time you clean up your living room and your kitchen, you're good. Once a day, are you kidding me? For what? Half an hour? Maybe an hour? Just at home. That's a really good start. So you guys, it's a great investment. It's a great way to put your foot into working out and building muscle mass without having to go to the gym or make time in the day to do that. It's gonna be part of your day. And I highly recommend you guys try it. Again, I'll put the link, the affiliated link down below for you guys to check it out. There are different options out there. This one is very comfortable. I trust Charlene Johnson. I think she's a professional and she knows what she's doing, and I don't regret getting the one that she recommended. Voila, my love, I'm gonna go. I just wanted to share that with you real quick. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed the content. Let me know in the comment section if you are already using a weighted vest. How do you use it? What do you do with it? Do you use it for grocery shopping? Do you use it to clean in the house? Do you use it, like, what do you do with it? If it's your first time trying it, let me know your experience. Let me know how it went. One more tip I want to add: make sure that you have the right shoes. Okay, make sure that the shoes that you're going to be using, if I didn't say that earlier, I don't think I did, but if you are going to use it for long walks, make sure that the shoes that you are using, the sneakers you're using, are comfortable and they work for you. Because if they're not, if you add weight to your walk with your shoes that's not comfortable, you're going to start feeling pain in your ankles, your knees, your hips, your back. Like, you want to make sure that you're aligned properly, and that comes with good shoes. All right, so that's one more tip I wanted to add in there. But yeah, let me know if it's your first time trying this. How did it go for you? I'm really curious. And voila, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my love, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.